Whole Fleet Diagnostics is North America's premium dealer of multi-brand diagnostic tools, training, and support. We're dedicated to keeping fleets up and running and their vehicles on the road.
Dynamic Diesel Solutions supports Whole Fleet in Western Canada and throughout North America. As Whole Fleet was growing, there was a need to have another representative for Whole Fleet, so Dynamic Diesel Solutions partnered up with Whole Fleet.
Jaltest Diagnostics is an all-in-one diagnostic tool that works in the commercial vehicle industry, off-highway construction, agriculture, material handling, and marine. It offers dealer-level functionality and a lot of advanced functions that keep your vehicles and equipment back up and running.
Switching to Jaltest is pretty simple. Doesn't matter which diagnostic software program you're using now, and availability for Jaltest kits is we ship across North America 1 to 3 business days.
Jaltest reduces downtime and cost of outsourced repairs because it has a lot of the dealer level functionalities built in. A lot of the things that you would normally call a outsourced service provider for, Jaltest has that capability built in. It allows you to avoid some of those costly callouts, and then also, gets that vehicle back up and running a lot quicker than waiting for that specialty technician to come in.
The training and support that Jaltest customers will receive is access to our support line, which is based out of our factory technicians that support Jaltest, as well as we have an online training platform built for the technicians in the shop. And then we do in-person and seminars based on Jaltest. Whole Fleet also offers advanced technical training on diesel emissions after treatment, high pressure common rail training, as well as advanced electrical training.
Jaltest is good for the Canadian market because Canada is very diverse. There's lots of work going on in very remote locations. It's a lot more beneficial and more streamlined when we have a single multi-brand tool and support service available to help those technicians regardless of where they are in the country and what type of vehicle they're working on, whether it's commercial, off-highway, agriculture. The process is the same, the support line is the same, and the training's available for all those applications. If you're looking for a dealer-level multi-brand diagnostic solution that is reliable and has active and consistent support, Whole Fleet Diagnostics is the right choice.